Today I will talk about how can you disable shortcuts on your Meho map. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse you just go down here, click on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on additional settings, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on shortcut card here, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to shortcuts, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean shortcut card disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.